Amen. We're so glad for all the 100 children what they here today. And we definitely want to thank Morsi of Charleston for being on the program today and starting off the drum and circle libation ceremony. This year, the first time Morsi of Charleston been with we, and we're so glad that they're a part of this year Gullah Geechee Jubilee. Now, 100 children know who really are the Queen Quet head on the body of this year Gullah Geechee Nation. And I want to introduce to all the 100 children, we minister our information for the Gullah Geechee Nation. Elder Carly Town, also the founder of what will be sponsor for this year day, the Gullah Geechee Angel Network. Elder Carly Town, sure, I want to get down, y'all.
Yeah, great, great. We're so happy to have you today. And I would like for you all to know that we are all family in here today, so we're going to have a good time. We're going to make sure that we know that we are Gullah Geechee people. I would like to thank Queen Quet for the tireless work that she's put into this. I would like to thank everyone that's coming and the people that are on their way. I want to thank God for allowing us to be connected with our Queen. And before we go any further, let's show her some love. Let's stand up and show Queen Quet some love. Show Queen Quet some love. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. We're going to get on with the show, and I want you all to know that we're going to have an exciting day. And I mean excited, because we're going to have some wonderful puppetry, and we're going to have some other young people coming up in a few minutes, and we want you to lay back, have a good time, and make sure that you keep the love in your heart for the Gullah Geechee Nation and Queen Quet and the elders. Thank you.
Now see, sometimes you ain't supposed to correct the elders, but I have a correct elder all the time. You actually offer laying back. This is the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. So we ain't want too much of laying back. We see Hunter Davis to stretch. We see Brother Davis to stretch. That is thing you need to do, stretch. Because we want Hunter now to lay back and talk. We want Hunter for shout. We want Hunter for dance. We want Hunter for be having a good time up in here. And Hunter can crack your teeth like this year. Crack your teeth like this year. If you speak this way, that's fine too. You're welcome to do that. If you want to say kapasa, como estás? Como estás? Kuamba. 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 Bravo. See? So, you see, any way we do this together. Our ancestors that were brought in through Sullivan's Island were Igbo, Mandinka, Maleke, Yoruba, Gullah, Geechee, Mendi, Kebbi, Fiki, Bibio, all of these ethnic groups and more that did not know the languages of the other countries, that they were now combined into one tight space to know. And God blessed us to throw all that thing together like this year, and now we have got this year, one people over here, all over the world, and things like that. I don't know if it's going to get you know either. Okay? So God made it so that all of us, no matter where we are, as Gullah Geechee, would understand one another. And in the Caribbean or the Caribbean, you go back to the backyard and things like that, man, the top like this year. And then always wonder what island we live from, and things like that. We still from the sea island, listen up this like that. And figure we from Barbados, so we from Jamaica, you from Bermuda, somewhere like this year. Not sea islands, not such a place. But the Gullah Geechee Nation encompasses all of the sea islands, from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, and 30 to 35 miles inland to the St. Johns River. So when you hear people speaking our language, you have made it home. If you come to this region and don't hear our language, that probably is a come here and thing I wanted to crack on the teeth with y'all. Okay? Left is a Gullah Geechee who just really doesn't want you to know who they be. Alright? So they will send you from Beaufort to Charleston looking for Gullah Geechees. They will send you from Charleston back to Beaufort looking for Gullah Geechees. They'll send you from Savannah to Georgetown looking for Gullah Geechees. They'll send you from Georgetown to Wilmington, North Carolina looking for Gullah Geechees. And the Wilmington people will send you back to St. Helena looking for Gullah Geechees. Meanwhile, all the people you just spoke to were Gullah Geechee. But for whatever reason, they don't want you to know who they be. Because they may think you're one of those people who told us that speaking our language meant we were backward and ignorant. But there is no correlation between IQ and language. So if God blessed you to be bilingual, you should give thanks. And God bless you to be trilingual, which many Gullah Geechees are, because you know Gullah, you know Geechee, you learn Spanish or French or German or some other language. You become trilingual, then quadrilingual, then just multilingual. You need to give thanks, because there are some people who in one language can't understand anything. And so it is a blessing to not only get understanding, but to then be able to share it with people around the world. So as the day goes on, we have more and more Gullah Geechees joining in for this 2012 Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, which is our Gullah Geechee Jubilee. I want y'all to give a round of applause to the co-founder of our festival, Brother Kwame Shah of All Mobile Productions, back there in his gold. We can have a lot of good tail between your hands so you have on black gold. Because y'all know, that's who we are, black gold. They call us black gold, black cargo, because of the richness of our culture, the richness of our traditions, the rich knowledge that we brought to this land and built this place. Where you are right now is the arrival square of Charleston, which was Charlestown. In the 1670s and onward, up until approximately 151 years ago, our ancestors were sold through all these streets and on these streets here in Charlestown. When you go to what is today the Old Slave Mart Museum on Chalmers, that was a place that became an auction block in the 1800s, in the 1860s. It was the 1850s and 60s. It is a ladder enslavement area at auction block. It is not an auction block that existed from the 1600s onward. And so therefore, we have had Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in the city of Charleston. A place finally honoring those who built the very soil that we stand on. So we give thanks to the mayor of Charleston, Joseph P. Riley. We also give thanks to the mayor pro tem, Councilman Regal, for having presented the proclamation to us last Sunday at the Charleston River Dogs game that was downtown here at the Charleston River Dogs Stadium. We thank you for this. We thank the city for all that they have given us this week and showing appreciation to the Gullah Geechee Nation. This festival culminates tomorrow, and that is the end of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week for the city of Charleston. But that ain't mean it have to be for we. We have to learn to appreciate who we are